Fox News alert now. Police taking Fotis Dulos into custody in Connecticut. This happening just a short time ago on charges that he may face. Still unclear at this time, but his attorney says he believes Dulos will be charged with the murder of his wife, Jennifer Dulos, who you'll remember disappeared back in May of 2019. Laura Ingle has been on this story from the beginning. She's here on these breaking developments. Laura?
Hi, Sandra. Well, we are getting this news into our newsroom just now that Fotis Dulos has been taken into custody at his home in Farmington. This is the very home that we just visited on December 20th, where we had an extensive interview with him. And we talked to him about a financial trial that he was involved in. So in just mere weeks, here we are watching him be let out of his house in handcuffs. Norm Pattis, his attorney, has just given a press conference saying he has not seen the warrant, but he is being told it is for the crime of murder. And he says that credible sources tell him that two others are being arrested today as well. Local reporters who have been following this case along with us are tweeting now that two of those people are the girlfriend, Michelle Troconis, and another attorney who apparently is going to be charged with conspiracy to commit murder. This is all being reported right now. We have not been able to independently verify that. We know that he has been taken away in police custody. This has just happened in the last about 30 minutes. There are local cameras who are in the scene there in Farmington, Connecticut, who have watched this transpire. We've been watching on a local remote feed, watching this all unfold. We have been told that he's being held on $6 million bond. You'll remember Jennifer Dulos, his wife, in which he had been in a long-suffering 2-year divorce and custody battle. They have 5 children between them. Disappeared on May 24th after dropping her children off at school at 8:05 in the morning. That was the last time anyone saw her alive. Police releasing search warrants long before, stating that they believe that he was lying in wait in her home in New Canaan. We have been hearing that this could be coming, and here we are today, starting off the new year with Fotis Dulos in custody. We are awaiting more details. We will bring them to you as soon as they become available.
A major police presence at the home of Fotis Dulos in Connecticut. Laura, you've been there. You reported from there. You just interviewed Fotis Dulos himself at the home. So much of this was about money, remember? That there was a loan that was given to him by his estranged wife's parents, the mother, I believe, that lived in New York. Just take us through this a little bit and what you learned sitting down with the man who is now being charged.
You know, Gloria Farber, who has custody of the 5 children now in New York City, had sued him for back loans, millions of dollars, that she says that he owed her late husband, who had Hilliard Farber, who had given millions of dollars to his construction company to help him move that company along to great success. And after Hilliard died, Gloria Farber, Jennifer's mother, said, "You still owe us millions of dollars." He claims, in fact, "No, I don't owe you money. In fact, you owe me money for some construction work that I did on behalf of the family." So that's what he was willing to speak to us about on December 20th in his home. The civil case had just wrapped up. Of course, there has been a gag order in the criminal investigation of the disappearance of Jennifer Dulos, his estranged wife. He couldn't talk to us specifically about that. I did ask him in that interview as we sat down in his home, in the front entrance of his home. I asked him, "Did you have anything to do with Jennifer's disappearance?" He said he could not comment due to the gag order. I asked him if he knew where she might be. He also cited the gag order. Remember, in early June, he was spotted on surveillance in Hartford, what police say, throwing out bags and bags of evidence that they say they went through those bags and they found the remnants of bloody clothes and bloody cleaning supplies that they say they tested and matched DNA to Jennifer Dulos. That's when he was arrested on tampering with evidence charges. Again, Michelle Troconis, his girlfriend, who was spotted with him in those vehicles, according to police, dropping off those bags of evidence. They have now apparently are going to either arrest her or she's being arrested now. So we are continuing to follow that part of the story as well. But huge news in this case that we have followed so closely since the mother of 5 went missing in May of last year.
And just no sign of Jennifer Dulos.
No sign.
All right, on that breaking news for us, Laura Ingle, thank you.
Thank you.